Hont HTA series cable ties are Hont patent cable ties, which have applied for appearance patent from USA, Europe, and utility patent from China. HTA series cable ties are self-locking type with increasing tension. Made of nylon 66, certificated by UL. The material is heat-resisting, 94V2, erosion control, insulated and not apt to age. Hont HTA cable ties tensile strength is 30% more than ordinary. They are easy to be used and last 50% insert force. Interspersed with high efficiency, it can effectively reduce the assembly time and costs. HTA series cable ties have a beautiful appearance. The standard color is white, and the production of anti-ultraviolet black. Other special colors can also be customized. Hont Tie, global leading manufacturer.